Hey, good morning. Howdy and hello. Well, now, yesterday I had the luck that I do not wish for anyone. After building the printhead up again with a new printhead on it, putting everything back in, then I started having problems. Because as soon as I started to try and heat it up, and there was a problem. Every time I went into the system and said heat up the bed to 50, then heat up the nozzle to 200 and press confirm, all of a sudden reset. Yeah, complete reset on the display. Then I was in chat with a couple of people on a live stream, and one of them also has a D9 and was telling me, do this, do that. And I did this and did that. And we came to the point where there must be a short somewhere in one of the cables on the printhead, probably the thermistor or maybe even the heat element. But to test that, do this. Yeah, I did that, and what happened? All of a sudden, I had a fire on my printhead. And let me turn the camera around and you can take a look, or I will show you exactly. So let me just put that up a little bit and let me zoom in. I have already cleaned up all of the mess that was here from the flames, but as you can see here, these cables, they are melted together. Those are the two cables for the fans. Here is the one that caused the fire. This is the heat element. Still has some white on it. Let's see if I can bring it up a little bit closer. Yeah, you can see how that looks right now. The thermistor cable is also black a little bit. I'm not sure if this is going to work anymore. But the fans, oh man, that's something that I am not sure about. That is something that I am not sure about. And really what the best thing is, when that fire happened, I got the fire out, that was no problem. Then I started pulling the cables out, hoping that nothing else would short circuit my boards or anything. I had it turned off, but yeah. Now I have to tell Juan how to send me a diagram from the circuit board to show me which position is which because I have a white one here, a white socket here, I have a red socket here, and another white socket. And I'm not sure, but if I remember correctly, the white goes to white, this black one goes to the red one. I'm not sure. But yeah. This cable was burning. This one was burning. And these two were melted here together. You can see here's a cable binder. Oh man. Cable binder is completely melted. But yeah, I sent an email. Let me send back out again. I sent an email to Wanhao explaining what happened now and what I need. But after a chat with another very good friend, I sent another email right to Gary Chen, the manager from Wanhao, and told him the best thing would be that he sends me a D9 that is working. And by working, I mean printing, and all they have to do is just turn it off, disassemble the gantry from the frame, pack that perfectly together with extra, I would say, and then send that to me, and also a pickup request for UPS to get this printer. I've had this printed now for what? 2 months? 1.5 months? Successfully, I have only gotten two prints off of it. And since the beginning, I have had nothing but problems with this D9. Yeah. And Wanhao, I'm going to send you a link to this video. I hope that you will do me the favor and do that. And send me a working D9 and a pickup for this D9. I still have the complete packaging. All I need is a confirmation email from you that UPS will be coming to pick this one up and bring in me a new one. And I will pack it up originally. But anyway, the next problem that I have, oh man, the next bill to pay, 75 euros, all because of the health system that we have here and the damn joke that I had. You know, beginning of last month, I called the oral surgery, told them that I have to come to them. My dentist will not do the work, they have to do it. And anyway, explained everything to the lady on the telephone. The lady, she said, okay, that's no problem. How many teeth need to be taken out? And I told her that's about 5 or 6 with replacements. And that's about an hour, hour and a half of work. and she supposedly noted everything, but then I had the appointment day, and because of the bus system, I had a taxi, and normally the taxi would be paid from the health center. Yeah, I came to the oral surgeon. I was on the chair, and what happened? That doctor came in, started checking everything, making a confirmation if everything was okay, and told me, okay, we'll make a new appointment. And then I said, hey, wait a minute, I am here, and this has to be done now. I have the special papers from the health center that says I can take a taxi back home, and this work has to be done right now. And he told me, no, that's not the normal way we do it. I have to check everything to see if this is correct, and then we make a new appointment. Now, what happened? The papers that I gave to the taxi driver from the health center, well, they sent it to the health center. The health center found out, okay, he did not do anything, and now the health center is refusing to pay for the taxi, which means now I have to pay almost 75 euros for a bunch of bullshit that was not done. It's so hard to believe, hey, so hard to believe. But if anybody out there has a few dollars or a few euros extra and can go to buy me a coffee and maybe buy 1 or 2 or 3 coffees for me, every cent that would help to pay that bill. But anyway, wish you all a nice day, happy printing, at least on your side. Until the next time, bye.